Have you ever wished there was a magic bank account that could help you save money, track your spending, and even anticipate your future finances? Well, I'm here to tell you that this magic account exists, and it's called the pocketguard cash account. Before we dive into what the pocketguard cash account is, let's take a moment to understand the challenges we face when it comes to managing our finances. We're constantly bombarded with bills, unexpected expenses, and the temptation to splurge on unnecessary items. It can be overwhelming and stressful, leading many of us to feel like we're constantly chasing our tails. Introducing the pocketguard cash account. The pocketguard cash account is a revolutionary financial tool designed to simplify your life and take the stress out of managing your money. It's more than just a bank account, it's a personal financial assistant that helps you track your spending. The pocketguard cash account automatically categorizes your transactions, making it easy to see where your money is going. You can track your spending by category, merchant, or even location. Set and achieve financial goals. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new car, or your child's education, pocketguard makes it easy to set and track your financial goals. You can create a budget and allocate funds towards your goals, ensuring that you're on track to achieve them. Avoid overspending. pocketguard's intelligent algorithms can predict your upcoming expenses, helping you avoid overspending. It will alert you if you're at risk of exceeding your budget, giving you the opportunity to make adjustments before it's too late. Grow your savings. The pocketguard cash account offers competitive interest rates, making it a great place to save your money. You can watch your savings grow over time, knowing that your money is working for you. How does it work? To get started with the pocketguard cash account, you'll need to link your existing bank accounts. Once linked, pocketguard will automatically import your transaction data, providing you with a comprehensive overview of your finances. You can then create budgets, set goals, and track your progress. Benefits of using the pocketguard cash account. There are numerous benefits to using the pocketguard cash account, including simplicity. pocketguard's user-friendly interface makes it easy to use, even if you're not a financial expert. Efficiency. pocketguard automates many of the tasks involved in managing your finances, saving you time and effort. Peace of mind. Knowing that your finances are under control can give you peace of mind and reduce stress. Financial success. By using pocketguard, you can improve your financial habits and achieve your financial goals. The pocketguard cash account is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances and achieve financial success. Whether you're struggling to make ends meet or simply want to improve your financial habits, pocketguard can help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.